Hello, my name is James, and I am a product specialist at Marin Acura in Corte Madera, California. Today I'm going to show you how to use the rear camera mirror in a 2020 Land Rover Defender. So if your vehicle has this option, it will turn this camera, or this mirror, into a screen. There is this nifty little sort of old-fashioned flip right here. You know, on older cars, you would flip it for nighttime and then back for day. Flip that, and then this turns into a screen. Then, with the settings button, you can adjust the brightness of this display and the height. So you can raise it or lower it. And that's how you get to the screen within the mirror of this 2020 Land Rover Defender. Thank you for watching, and have a nice day.